These are a mistake. I don't know where the leg is. Oh my gosh, I don't. Okay, there's something sharp on it. Oh my gosh. What is so confusing about that?
Hello you guys, my name is Malia. Welcome to my channel. This might be a interesting video. So you already know what it is. We are spending $200 at Shein to see if it's worth it or not. I have actually ordered a lot from them and I definitely see the difference in some pieces compared to the others. I think that this whole idea of why so many people are interested in it is because you can actually get some very good quality items from Shein, and I have a lot of them. But there are also some, you know, depending on the manufacturer and where they buy and pick and choose certain items from, sometimes they might not be that great and might not be that great of quality. So a lot of people have really good luck and really bad luck with it. So many people review them, and I do a lot of Shein hauls. So this is not out of the ordinary for me whatsoever. I actually spent a lot more than $200, but I think that when the other half comes in, I'm just gonna do a haul with it. So we just want to see what can we get for $200 at Shein. I just grabbed a random number and said, okay, I will just go in and look for pieces that I like, whatever kind of catches my eye. I'm normally a lot more picky and choosy, but this time I wasn't, just because I wanted to see what the quality was actually like of all these different places and what my chances were of having a good quality item compared to a terrible quality item. I have had really good luck so far, so I'm excited to see what this is like. It could be great, it could be terrible, but is my address on here? This is what we're working with. This is not going to be a normal try on haul because there's so many things in here and I'm gonna go through them as fast as I can. I have a good feeling about them. Maybe I shouldn't, I don't know. I'm optimistic, but I have a good feeling. I think that there will be some good pieces in here. I'm gonna start with the accessories. This is a very honest review. I've spent only my own money on these items. So we're gonna start off with the jewelry because I'm actually wearing a pair of the earrings right now. Let me get too close to you guys. And they're like these little coin earrings. Please ignore my nails. I was in a meeting on Zoom and I was nervous and I ripped them all off because I get really nervous, and now they're so disgusting. So they are these little like dangly earrings. One of these fell out over by my dresser because I was gonna put them on and then I decided not to. Little just gold coin earrings, and I think these are about $5. The quality is not great. I bought these because I like to wear earrings out and about in Hawaii sometimes and like to be careless in a lot of certain occasions with my jewelry, and I think these are just a good thing for me. I don't like buying a lot of cheap jewelry because then it's kind of like gross and it gets tacky after a while, but these are cute and they're very in style and they're trendy right now. And so, you know, like the whole fast fashion debate, if you are into fast fashion, then certain things might be better to get at a lower price and lower quality if they aren't gonna really stand the test of time. So that's that. I also got these little scrunchies, which I think are really cute. I like them. Obviously, you can probably see right here that the other side is not covered in velvet, but it doesn't look terrible. It's not super finished. There are a few little strings I saw kind of. I think these are really cute. I think they're fun and they're cute. Like, I think this is something I put in like a low pony. Again, they're kind of fast fashion. So I would say that the earrings and the scrunchies are a win. So far so good. You know, if you want really nice jewelry, you know where to go. I do like these though a lot. Okay, I totally forgot to put this in, but I also got this bag. It is so cute. I just had to throw that in there very quickly because this was so good and such a win. Okay, on to the clothing. First thing is this top. Okay, I can already tell I can't try it on for you guys. I think I have to speed through these. Okay, this top, it's very see-through. Oh my goodness, what? Well, it's super cute. I would wear this maybe over a swimsuit and a pair of shorts, but I cannot even wear a sticky bra underneath this because it will show, and then the sticky bra will show, and that's not a cute look. Sticky bras just look like uncooked chicken to me. Comment down below if you agree. Next, we have this little crop top. Okay, so it's a little, so I'm wearing pajama shorts. We're in quarantine, you guys. I'm gonna cover it just in case, but it's like a very sporty spandex material, almost like a cool wicking material. Yeah, I'd say this is a win. A good basic. I like getting my basics from places like this just in case like they don't last very long, you know what I mean? I feel like I wear through them a lot. So yeah, this is good. This is good. I like it. Okay, next we have another white top, which I already know is a no. Oh my gosh. Normally I'm so impressed right away. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's very see-through. It's cute, like it looks cute. Quality feels fine. It is really see-through though, so unless I'm gonna be wearing some suits all summer long, which I probably won't, I think this is a no. Okay, we have another basic. This is just like a square neck top. The quality of the actual fabric feels really good. However, the cuts where the The straps look like they're kind of just like sewn on kind of randomly and sporadically, but I think that the idea of a square neck is very cute. I'm gonna say that this one is not what I expected either. Wow, I've never, oh my gosh. I normally have like really good luck. We have a 2-piece set. Okay, let's go. It's also see-through, the bottoms. I don't think I can try this on either. It's a skirt and it's cute, and then this like bandeau material, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm looking at it for longer than you can probably see. I'm probably cutting a lot out. I'm so sad. What the heck? Okay, not what I expected. This is cute. I was really looking forward to this. Okay, it's like this little cutout and it's see-through. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wait. I think this is a cute dress. It looks great for summer. Quality is good. Very see-through. Actually, I'm not even gonna try it on. Wow. Got another white top. I've had good luck with their white tops in the past, so I hope this is the same one I ordered. This is not the same thing. Did I order two? Okay, I ordered the same exact top that did not work out. This is, yeah, we are rolling through them, guys. $200. Okay, next is this top. I love this. This is so cute. I'm gonna try it on. I have high hopes. It's like this, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, we have a winner, like a strong winner. I really like this. Obviously, it's not going to be the most amazing quality in the world, but I would say that it's good quality. The back is so stinking cute. Look at that. Look at that. This is a win. I think this is so cute. You could even pull it off the shoulder a little bit, you know? I don't know what that looks like in real life to you guys, but probably not great. Anyway, it was a good idea in theory. Yes, another white top. I don't know why I was in the mood to buy so flippin' many of these. This is not, sorry that my air conditioning was on that whole time. It was probably very loud. This kind of feels like paper. Yeah, this is also very, very see-through. It's a good idea. It was cute. It's just like an off-the-shoulder kind of top. Wow. Okay, next we have this little top. It says Babe on it. This is either going to be really cute, cringy, or fun. I was hoping it would be fun. If things look a little see-through, still they might be, but also there's this massive light shining on me, so that might be why as well, and you're probably not going to encounter that on a day-to-day basis, so I think you should be okay. All right, this is the top. Actually, like, it's a little looser than like I would hope for, and you know, it doesn't have like the perfect form or the perfect quality, but for the most part, like, it's a really good quality for just like a little tank. It's got these cute little strappies. I think this can be really fun for like Instagram pictures and things. This is a win, and I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay, we've got like something that, and I'm sure if you spent like $500, you really wanted to see like the nitty-gritty stuff down to the base of what it is. That's probably also great, but I was scared to just end up with a bunch of stuff I wasn't gonna use. Next we have some jeans, so I'm gonna put them on. They make me think of dad jeans and shoes and pants. They've also got this cool little arrow, the accentuation of, all right, I got them oversized because I like, ow, okay, it's a little tight. I cannot show you these. They hug certain areas in a very wrong way. They're really big and loose on the legs, and then the butt and the front are very squished and very defined. I don't think that was a win. They were so hard to get off. I thought I was gonna be trapped in there. Two of my favorite pair of jeans out of like my top 5 are from Shein. So I am disappointed, but they have different manufacturers and they accumulate different items from so many different sellers that you really just gotta pick and choose, because when you find a good piece from them, it's so worth it. I'm so excited. These are like 4th of July-esque jeans. Normal jeans, straight leg, also awesome. We love this demonstration. The denim feels, sorry that we're doing this at the same time. It's the way it is. You can't see anything. Everything's fine. Sorry, mom. The denim feels like good denim. It feels fine. It actually feels like very, very thick, which is great. They feel strong and sturdy. They fit. Oh my gosh. These are a mistake. This is what the denim looks like. The front is not flattering at all. There's so much extra room and space. I don't have a butt anymore, if I ever did. The thing is that you and I, we probably have completely different body proportions, so maybe this style of jean would work better on you. I do think like the all-around fit could use some work, so proceed with caution. Little ribbed white bandeau top with these little spaghetti straps. I have this in black, so I already know I like it actually, so that's a cheat. It does not seem see-through. This is actually double lined, very thick. It's not just one piece of fabric, but I am going to try it on just in case, because you never know with white top. It's very cute. It's cropped. I think it hits at a very nice spot. I would say that this quality is a win. This one is a complete win. I love it. These are great basics to wear under everything. It's kind of like a sweatery material, almost. It's thicker. All right, we got these overalls. I thought they were so cute on the model and on the website, so I'm hoping that they are on me as well. Overalls are great during the summer. They remind me of my childhood. I almost fell. If I wear jeans or a pair of overalls that fit like well and aren't inappropriate to show like the entirety of the body, then I will show you for sure. It's kind of the only reason why I haven't done like full body side scale like I normally do. Okay, the top button I literally cannot get to close. My fingers hurt. I tried for a couple minutes, but you guys didn't see that, so take my word for it. The thing about this is I was so excited and it looked so cute. The top looked really cute to me. I thought they were cute overalls. The back looks fine to me. Not, you know, just regular overalls. I wasn't expecting much, just a cute little pair. However, the front, really, really bad. Not like the one, the two. So this is a pass. I'm gonna go ahead and just try the other overalls on right now because I really want one of them to work. Trying on the other overalls. I don't understand exactly how these ones work. I don't know where the leg is. What is so confusing about that? Oh my gosh, I have no depth perception. I think the straps need to be adjusted, but ow. It's okay. Oh gosh, you guys. Okay, similar thing. The top is really cute. This is the top. I like it. It's just very fun. It's cute. I don't know where the pockets are. It's cute, but then the back is fine, but the front part, it like folds over and still has the one hump, if you know what I mean. Very, very unflattering. The top is so cute, the top portion of it. I tried rolling it, like cuffing the short part to see if it would pull the fabric down. That did not work. I thought this was gonna be really successful. Like I was gonna be like, oh my gosh, like look at all this stuff. It's so great. Little did I know the one time. Comment down below, guys, whether you think it's worth it or not. I do want to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Tell me if you, oh my god. Sorry. Tell me if you like Shein, if you don't. Yeah, some stuff is cheap, some stuff is really, really great quality. So tell me your experience because I am experiencing something new right now. Okay, I didn't even show you guys this before I tried it on because I just wanted to see what it was going to be like inside. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and in the viewfinder because I want to know also, but it's like this spandex material tank top and it's so cute. I actually love this so much. I love the quality of it. I love this like material, especially in the summertime because I do get hot really easily. And I think that this is so cute. This is a win for sure. Oh my gosh. It's got this high back, which is very nice. It feels just well put together, well constructed. Looking forward to wearing this. It looks very chic in person as well and looks very, very clean. All right, next we have this little tank top. It's this cute little purpley lavender tank top. Okay, this top, it's cute. I like it. It's pretty low, slightly cropped top. It's got a cute back. I love that. This could be really cute with your hair up. I like the color. It's very pastel, spring, summer. You know, it's not the best quality in the world, but it's still pretty good quality just for like a little tank that you'll probably be wearing a lot. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's it. That is what you can get actually for $221 and like 43 cents or something. That's actually how much this box costed. And so that's what you can get for $200 at Shein. And I know that I found some cute things in here, but I normally have a lot better luck. So this was a very interesting experiment. I know that their coats and their skirts are something that I really like. They do coats and I think winter wear and fall wear very well. Like those thicker materials, they're usually a lot higher quality. So I know I have some stuff coming in that involves some jackets and things like that. So stay tuned for maybe a haul or something. It really is kind of a hit or miss. So just let me know down below if you guys think that they're worth it for their price and their quality. It's very interesting to try out. So unfortunately, maybe I just got a bad batch and it's something you might need to try for yourself because I have had really good luck, like I said. But I hope that this video was some way helpful or informative to you guys. I have my personal Instagram, which is Malia Nicole, and that's kind of under construction right now, but I also have a fashion account, which is just dedicated to my fashion spam called Fashion Treat Repeat if you're interested in following any of those. But yeah, that's kind of it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you else somewhere very soon. Bye!